I would 100% do it. This is something that's insane, and I hope that everyone has the opportunity to do something like this.
Absolutely, I think you should do it.
As cliche as it sounds, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I wouldn't 100% recommend this experience.
I think the highlights have been...
The highlights of the trip.
The highlight, the excursions.
Going to Annecy, it was something I've never seen before. It was just amazing.
The friends that I've made.
Just the culture here.
The scenery, the skyline with all the mountains and the beautiful architecture. It really, really got a sense that, you're walking through history.
The food.
The food culture. I love food. I love eating food. I'm a foodie.
Charcuterie, it was very good.
The wine was good.
The wine tasting.
Did a little bit of wine tasting.
We got to go to a bakery, see how bread was made.
Farm animals, the goats, had some goat milk, some goat cheese.
See how they made cheese. We went to a farm, we got to pet goats. It was really fun. I really got to learn a lot about how they do business here, speaking with small business owners and people who have restaurants here.
Absolutely, I think you should do it.
100% do it.
Then you're only just taking a step forward.
It's kind of just once in a lifetime. There's no reason not to.
It's not even just an experience, it's an opportunity.
I live my life with no regrets. I want to make sure I do everything that I even think about. I'm so glad I'm here.
You're not just wasting time. You actually get to not only learn, but you get to add to your program and your study path. I would give all of them the A+. Yeah, everyone in regards to GlobalEd did a great job in terms of just guiding me on my way.
I love the staff of GlobalEd. They're so sweet, they're so nice, they're so relatable.
We're all like a community, and I feel like that's what GlobalEd does. It brings people together, it creates a community, and by the time you're done with this, you're really changed.